Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about two simple but very important parts of a website, domain and hosting. And by the way, I'll use Click and Capture Studio, a photography business in Dilsukhnagar, Hyderabad as our example, so that you can easily see how things work both offline and online. Now first thing I want to explain about what is a domain, and I want to take Click and Capture Studio as an example. Alright, so let's start with the domain. Imagine you want to visit Click and Capture Studio in Dilsukhnagar. You want to know the address, right? So it helps you to find the studio where it is located in the city. Now think of the domain as the address of Click and Capture Studio but on the internet. So instead of a street address, it has a web address, clickandcapturestudio.com maybe. When people type this domain into their browser, they find Click and Capture Studio's website, just like how they would find the studio with the street address. I hope you understand what is a domain. Now what is hosting? And again I want to take Click and Capture Studio offline and online comparison so that it will be very clear for you. Hosting is like the physical space where Click and Capture Studio keeps everything. It can be cameras, equipment, samples and all the things that make the studio work. When it comes to online, hosting is the space that stores all the files for Click and Capture Studio's website. It can be photos, it can be booking information, it can be contact details, or it can be videos or any other. Hosting is what allows people to visit the website and see everything about the studio. Just like how you need a physical space to run a studio, you need hosting to keep a website up and running online. So in conclusion, we can say that the domain clickandcapturestudio.com is the address people type in to find the studio online. So when it comes to hosting, it is the storage space where the website's files are kept. So everything loads when people visit the website. I hope you understand what is domain and what is hosting. And if you really feel that my videos are helpful, share this video to all of your friends and families who really would like to learn digital marketing from the very basics. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.